For this recipe I'll be using Carma Noir Blanche, pink and yellow cocoa butters, grapefruit flavouring paste, turmeric drops, Vanova white, cream, Ultrex and glucose syrup. As always, you want clean and polished moulds before you start decorating. I went for a pink and yellow swirl design to hint at the pink grapefruit and turmeric flavours that are inside the chocolates. Because the Carma chocolate is so white, the colours show up really well, giving us nice and colourful chocolates. Make sure to let the cocoa butter dry before going in with each colour, otherwise they may smudge. Now it's time to temper the Carma Noir Blanche and pipe into the moulds to cast the shells. Make sure to give the tray a really good tap. This is to get out any air bubbles that may be in your shells. To make the gel, combine 125 ml of water, 20 grams of grapefruit paste, 3 drops of turmeric and glucose. Put them in a pan and bring to the boil. When boiling, add your Ultrex and whisk well to remove any lumps. And this makes your gel filling. For the ganache, boil your cream, slightly melt your chocolate and add your grapefruit paste and turmeric drops, before blending into a smooth paste and then transferring to a piping bag ready to fill your chocolates. So once your shells have set and your gel and ganache have cooled, you can fill your shells. You want to fill them 1/3 with the gel and 2/3 with the ganache, making sure to leave that 2 ml gap at the top for capping. Once your fillings have set, you can go ahead and re-temper the leftover Carma Noir Blanche from earlier. Once your caps have set, you can go ahead and turn out your chocolates. And there you go, some extremely uniquely flavoured chocolates just in time for Christmas that fit perfectly into our mix and match boxes.